Hey, my name is Gio. I'm going to be showing you an unboxing with Pokemon. It brings 10 additional cards. Right there on the bottom. Right there. Okay. And Furies. It includes one Pokemon. Wait, Fusion Fist booster pack. And whatever, yeah. And let me see. So that's about it. And I'm gonna open it. Let's start. Okay. 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 How come I did another unboxing, but it's so easy? Whoa. Does this thing even bring? Okay, this is it. Just put this in the side. Okay, guys. Well, this is it. Right here. And let's open it. Let's begin. Okay. Can't wait to see the surprises here. And here. Okay. We have this.
Mom, I can't pause.
Oops. Let me see. Oh, this is the booster pack. You see? Unlocks booster pack right there. Okay. The first card is Fossil Researcher. Search your deck for up to 2 in any combination of Amura or Tyrant, whatever, and put them into your bench. Shuffle your deck afterward. I don't, you don't forget that. It's just read it, I guess. Pause it and then you can read it. Just pause it right now, yeah, and then read it. Okay, this is how it looks like. That's the first card. Maybe. Okay, the second card is Stage 2, I guess. Yeah, no, that's Stage 1. Fairy type. Schlephable, whatever. Schlephable. That was the other one. I can't believe I'm in my sister's room right now. I just hate it. Wow, there's a bunch of fossil ones. Another fossil one. Jaw fossil. This looks interesting. Pause it and then read it. You should just pause it and then blah 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 blah. Just read it. Okay. Oh, I thought it was gonna be surprise. Oh, actually, it was. Okay, that's I guess good. It's a grass type. Leafeon. I'm actually surprised with this because I have the basic right here. You can see it. I have the basic one already. So yeah, or whatever. No. Ooh. Just kidding. He's a Stage 1. Wow, I actually like him. He's good. Whoa, just kidding. I think he's a new Pokemon. Panguro. I never had him. I think I have the basic, but not him. Oops. Oops, just kidding. Yeah. As you can see. Oh. Over here you can see the basic over here. This is 120. My middle finger, look, right here. It's 120, as you can see. So that's one of my favorite ones here. My first, actually, so far. Ooh, I'm not surprised at all. Trapinch. This is Trapinch. I don't have him, but still. I think he's a new Pokemon, too. Yeah, probably. I have no idea. I've never seen this Pokemon in my life, probably. I don't even know what type he is. Oh, yeah, he's a boxing type. Oh, man. I just want to look and see if there's an EX. Oh, I hope there's an EX here. And my other one, I got an EX. X or Nex or whatever. Water type. It's a basic. No one cares about that one, I guess. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Please be nice. It sounded please. Oh, Scraffy. I have a bunch of them. This is Scraggy, whatever, Scraggy. It's a dark type Pokemon. Oh yeah, just kidding. It's this is a dark type Pokemon, as you can see. Scraggy. Yes, I think that's the name. Yep, not one single EX. This guy over here, grass type. His name is Scropish, something like that, whatever. Okay, my last card. Please be next. Oh, I still have an EX. I didn't get one EX. Okay, Mac Unhitcha, whatever. Is he new? No, I don't think so. I think I have him. He's a punching type, a boxing type. I mean. Okay, guys. So basically, these are the cards that I got from there. Like this here. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this fast. So these are the cards. Thank you. To be honest, these were my two favorite. These were the only ones I liked. These two I liked only. I also liked this card. And this one. The two fossil ones. Whatever. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching. And pretty please, with cherries on top, put a like. Please, I beg of you. Just put a like, and one more thing, guys. Put a comment if you want me to put, like, Digimon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, more Digimon cards. Pokemon cards. And, what's it called? And I'll show you all my EXs. And I also have Shark games, Dragon Ball Z games. So, please put a like. I beg of you. Thanks for watching, and peace out.